Welcome to South Texas College. Discover how the Centers for Learning Excellence can help you succeed in your academic journey.
Hi, welcome to the CLE. Come in.
The Centers for Learning Excellence, or CLE, provides a range of free services to all enrolled students, including tutoring, academic coaching, study skills workshops, and supplemental instruction. Our tutoring services are available both in person and online, covering a wide range of subjects to help you excel in your courses.
The resources that I find most beneficial here at the CLE would be the help from the tutors. They know their stuff, especially when I'm having a hard time getting through with what I'm studying. They help with little tips and tricks to help me get to where I'm trying to be.
Academic coaching helps you develop effective study habits, manage your time, and set achievable academic goals.
The CLE has helped me develop a lot of study habits and skills because I do sessions with academic coaching. When I'm taking an exam, I have an aha moment. Like, oh, I remember going over this in tutoring, and then I know the answer right away.
Soar to new heights with our Student Success Workshops, where you'll master essential skills such as time management, note-taking, and exam preparation. Experience the power of collaborative learning. Attend supplemental instruction sessions to connect with your classmates, prepare for exams, and succeed in your studies. Our Writing Center offers support for all your writing needs, from brainstorming ideas to polishing your final draft. Visit the Centers for Learning Excellence today and take the first step towards achieving your academic goals.